Hello friends, welcome to Misty Biology. Let's learn something new. In this video, I will discuss research options in microbiology for a NET JRF qualified student who has done her MSc in microbiology. JRF holders in microbiology can work in the field of microbial biotechnology, where they can be involved in research and development of new microbial products and technologies, such as enzymes, bioplastics, and biofuels. JRF holders in microbiology can work in the pharmaceutical industry, where they can be involved in research and development of new drugs and therapies, as well as in the production and quality control of existing medications. JRF holders in microbiology can work in the medical devices industry, where they can be involved in the research, development, and testing of new medical devices, such as diagnostic equipment and sterilization methods. They can work in the field of microbial genetics and genomics, studying the genetic makeup of microorganisms and how they interact with their environment. Students of microbiology, with a background in writing and communication, can work as medical writers, creating educational and promotional materials for the medical and pharmaceutical industries. They can work in environmental microbiology, studying the impact of microorganisms on the environment and their potential applications in pollution control, bioremediation, and biotechnology. They can work in industrial microbiology, developing new techniques and technologies for the production of fermented foods and beverages, as well as for the production of enzymes and other microbial products. They can work in food microbiology, researching the microbiology of food production, preservation, and safety. They can work in medical microbiology, studying the interactions between microorganisms and human health. They can work in academic or industrial research laboratories, studying the fundamental biology of microorganisms and developing new therapies and treatments. They can choose to work in education and outreach, teaching science in schools, or working to communicate science to the general public. They can work in science policy and administration, helping to shape and implement policies and regulations related to microbiology. They can also work in medical sales, promoting and selling medical products and equipment to hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare providers. They can work in government agencies such as ICMR, CSIR, DBT, and other government organizations that are involved in research and development in the field of microbiology. JRF holders in microbiology, with a background in materials science, can work in the field of biomaterials, developing new materials for medical and industrial applications, such as wound dressings and implantable devices. They can work in marine microbiology, studying the diversity and ecology of microorganisms in marine environments and their potential applications in biotechnology and bioremediation. They can work in the field of pharmaceutical microbiology, conducting research on the interactions between microorganisms and drugs, and developing new methods for the production and quality control of medications. They can work in the field of public health microbiology, studying the spread and control of infectious diseases, and developing new methods for disease prevention and treatment. They can work in the field of agri-microbiology, studying the interactions between microorganisms and plants, and developing new methods for crop improvement and pest control. JRF holders in microbiology, with a background in chemical or mechanical engineering, can work in the field of bioreactor design and developing new systems for the cultivation of microorganisms for biotechnology and other applications. JRF holders in microbiology can work in the field of medical microbiology, studying the interactions between microorganisms and human health, and developing new methods for the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of infectious diseases. They can work in the field of microbial metagenomics, studying the genetic diversity and functions of microbial communities in different environments, and understanding the role of microorganisms in various ecosystem processes. Students of microbiology with a background in computer science or bioinformatics can work in the field of microbial bioinformatics, developing new computational methods for analyzing and interpreting large datasets from microbial genomics. JRF holders in microbiology can work in the field of microbial physiology and metabolism, studying the biochemistry and physiology of microorganisms and understanding the mechanisms of their growth, survival and adaptation to different environments. They can work in the field of microbial pathogenesis, studying the mechanisms by which microorganisms cause disease, and developing new methods for preventing and treating infections. They can work in the field of microbial immunology, studying the interactions between microorganisms and the host immune system, and developing new vaccines and immunotherapies. Students of microbiology with a background in engineering or computer science can work in the field of synthetic biology, developing new methods for the design and construction of synthetic microbial systems for biotechnology and other applications. They can work in the field of microbial forensics, using molecular and genetic techniques to identify and trace the source of microorganisms in forensic and legal investigations. Thanks for watching.